My name's Mikaylin, and one of the important ways to take care of your frame is pin care, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, I'm just going to wash my hands because I don't want to transfer any dirt from my hands to my pin sites. These are the circles, and the first thing you want to do before putting them on is getting them wet. First, I'm going to pull the stopper up. On the half pins, it may be a little bit harder to pull them up, but if you just kind of try and wiggle them up and be patient, because it will be a little bit hard in the beginning, then they will come up eventually. I do think that doing it in the shower helps a lot more with it because it's wet and it's more prone to slide up faster. Then I'm going to take the dirty one off. And then I'm going to clean it with a Q-tip, a wet Q-tip. Just kind of clean it around that area. Then you take the new circle, make sure it's wet, and take the silver part and face it down. And just put the pin back. But don't force it in there, just put it on top, so with gentle pressure. It's a little nerve-wracking at first, but in the end, when you get used to it, you'll learn to appreciate it, because if you go a day over, it hurts. It's really irritating.